Home Affairs services on wheels, ready to serve the people. Local community members can apply for smart ID cards, among other things, at the mobile units. However, load shedding often poses a challenge. The department is working on finding a solution.
Home Affairs systems depend on the mobile network units. It depends on MTN, Vodacom. When there's load shedding, you are going to have problems in phoning or sending SMSs or WhatsApp messages. I'm sure you know that. We suffer the same thing. And for that reason, it extends our queues. The problem that we experienced from CETA, we went to the CSIR, Center for Scientific and Industrial Research. From January, we are working with them.
There have been mixed reactions from community members to the Home Affairs services.
I went to the Home Affairs to apply an ID with my parents, so they give me help and they didn't treat me bad, but they give me exactly what I need.
The Home Affairs manager at Nhlanhla Jele registered my baby as a boy. I found out a week later when I went to SASSA to apply for a grant. I went back to Home Affairs to get it corrected, but I still don't have the correct birth certificate. The Chief Albert Luthuli Municipality Acting Mayor says the local authority is working with Home Affairs to solve people's issues.
We are working with Home Affairs. Most of the time we are working with Home Affairs to deal with the problems. They are helping us to solve them. We are doing well in that regard.
Furthermore, Motsoaledi said a white paper to change South Africa's immigration laws will be published soon. Nhlanhla Jele, SABC News, Elukwatini, Mpumalanga.